Whoa, we got another package? Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Venturesurplus. Feel free to check them out at venturesurplus.com. We also have a YouTube channel. Again, Venturesurplus. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's see how we can get this open. Let's see. It's done. So let's see if we can get through this reinforced tape. Okay. Large packing paper, good target, and let's essentially set this on the floor so we actually have a nice viewing area here. Largest thing in here is from Litefighter, USGI Litefighter 1, Individual Shelter System, OCP, new. Let's just take a quick inventory of the items. Drawstring with a lock. Okay, so it looks like I have to break the seal in order to get this open. Done. Alright, so I'm going to have to take this off too. That's making a mess. Let's see if I can get past that. Yep. Alright. I don't know if I'll be able to get this back in here. Alright. So it looks like we have our actual tent itself. Here's the OCP surface. Let's see the inner liner. Feel free to do your own research on how to set up the Litefighter individual system. It's basically a cot-sized tent. In fact, it could be mounted on top of a cart. Looks like I just got the stakes here in a separate bag. Some sort of framing. Let's not call out to what they are. I don't even know yet. Yeah, the frame for the top. These are probably the pegs. They're a lot shorter. Yep. Pretty standard. And they even have a string on each one to help take them out of the ground too, which is nice. These bags, we don't lose them. And it looks like there's actually something in here too. Ah, okay. Setup guide. There you go. You can see there's actually other that gives you an idea of the size of it. Okay. Again, this is USGI Litefighter Series 1 Individual Shelter System. Top, here's the bottom of the door entry area. Looks like this has tie downs and drawstring. Is there a zipper area that I just see? Try to fold around it. Yep, here's a zipper flap for that too. Okay, so straighten this up real quick. Get this out of the way. We'll get that back into the tube at some point. Got ourselves some SOT, Source 1 Tactical patches. Let's see, what type do we actually order here? 3x4 Uniform Repair Patch, new Multicam. So 3 Multicam patches in case some tears. We also have 4 elastic shock cords for tarp and shelter. So let's keep these together. This is all part of one system. And then here we got a bag of this. Let's see what else we got here. Alright. What we got here is a USMC Reversible Shelter Tarp, Woodland MARPAT. And we had actually ordered in defective condition. So let's see what our problem here would be. We got some marking codes. Fuel Tarp, Reversible, Woodland, MARPAT, and Coyote, Marine Corps, and the Sun number, Work Industries Inc., SPM, hand wash only, instructions, air dry, lot number, the lot number is visible, but 7. Alright, so we do have some tie downs. For those who have encountered these tarps before, they do have a certain aroma to them. Not a bad one. It's kind of a storage, semi-chemical aroma to them. But, I don't really see a problem with this. Maybe if I really pull it out, I don't see any holes or anything. So I'm not sure if we're missing any grommets or fastening points. You can see how we have multiple snap points on both sides to facilitate folding over, sectioning this off tighter, etc. But seems fine to me. So if we just take another quick look on the perimeter, I don't see any tears or anything, so I think this was a good pick. As far as I can tell, I don't see any rips. I think we're good to go. Anywho, this would be a USMC Reversible Shelter Tarp, Woodland MARPAT. We also had some add-on accessory items. Well, first item, we had 3 of the OCP 3x4 Uniform Repair Patches. Let's have 4 elastic shock cords. Pretty similar to the ones already on the tarp as well. It's basically sections of bungee cord, but very strong ones. Let's see what else we got here. And we started off with the USGI Litefighter Series 1 individual shelter system in OCP new condition. So these all came from VentureSurplus. Feel free to check them out at venturesurplus.com. They got a large variety of items, so feel free to check them out. There's been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos in the series. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and other expanded topics. We also do